So many reference managers, when you do research and you want to refer to something precise, and I like this one. Why? Because basically you can add Google Scholar here, and whatever you search, let's say you want to search exoskeletal, whatever it is, and then you find the paper, and then click Cite, find relevant things, and then click here, Reference Manager. When you install it, of course, it comes here, Scholar, click on it, it'll open it in your Mendeley. So that's it. And how you refer to it in your paper, that's it. You install it and then Alt-M. So basically, you're writing something, I'm writing a paper, and then Alt-M. It'll bring everything here and then say exoskeletal. So for instance, this is what you want, and that's it. And it will add it here. If they're not here, you can delete them. You can just go to references, insert bibliography. That's it. As simple as that. Alt-M. Just enjoy using it.